This is Joan of Arc and I'm at Talisay Public Cemetery for the All Saints Day and All Souls Day celebration. We're in a somber mood, but it's quite festive with the many people here. Look at that, a Hello Kitty tool. So the Day of the Dead, or All Souls Day, All Saints Day, is called Kalag-Kalag. Pista Minatay or Kalag-Kalag for the Day of the Dead. Kalag means soul, so Kalag-Kalag. We remember our dead by offering flowers, candles, and prayers. Bulak, kandila, kag pangamuyo. And to clean their tombs, like what we are doing for my lolo or grandfather. My lola or grandmother is buried in a private cemetery in Bacolod. So here's my grandfather's tomb. The grave is called LULUBNGAN, from the root word lubong, or to bury. So LULUBNGAN is a burial place. Another word for puntod or LULUBNGAN is PANTYON, from the word PANTYON and then corrupted to be pronounced as PANTYON. The tombstone is called LAPIDA, or the grave marker. I'm with my mother right now, and we are visiting the tomb of her father, which means my grandfather. Oh, Lolo, grandfather, I acknowledge your contribution, your legacy as my grandfather. So, Lolo Jose, we love you. Here's my love for you, our love for you. I love you from here on earth. Yeah. It's night time now and time to leave this place to another cemetery. My brothers, we are here at the Roman Catholic Cemetery at Burgos. This is Burgos, the Roman Catholic Cemetery where my brother is buried. And these are the policemen who's trying to secure the place so that everybody is safe. So with a busy and festive mood such as this, the PATYO or cemetery is not as kahaladlukan or scary. Hadlok means to scare. This is the mausoleum or mausoleo. There are more elaborate mausoleums. I think the mausoleum and the Pantheon are the same, but Pantyon has been delegated to the smaller burial places. The dead is called Patay, and the living is called Buhi. Excuses. So here we are. I'm here at my younger brother's tomb, LULUBNGAN. He was 15 years old when he passed. NAPATAY, passed away. We used to have many fights and competition as brother and sister. B-boy, Joel, always remember that I love you. You are always remembered. You are always a part of us, a part of me. And I forgive you, and I hope you forgive me. I love you, my brother. Here's my love for you. And until then, bye-bye.